Hey, you like watching videos? I bet you do. How would you like to get paid to watch videos? Because in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $4 every 15 seconds just watching videos. So stay tuned. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of the website is Zoombucks. So on this website, you're going to earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, and doing offers. Now it's free to join. All you do is put in your email address and password, or you can sign up through Facebook or Google. Now how it works. So advertisements want engagements for their surveys, products, and services. Then number two, we find members willing to get paid for completing various actions. And number three, take surveys, complete offers, watch videos, and get paid with cash and gift cards. So guys, in this video, we're talking about watching videos. So I'm going to show you later how that works. But you can also get paid through taking surveys and completing offers if you like to do that too. Now here are the cash out rewards. So they got PlayStation Plus, Xbox, iTunes, Steam Card, Google Play points. They have Amazon gift card, Netflix, Walmart, and several other ways to cash out. Now guys, I have an account, so what I'm going to do is log in, and I'm going to show you how you can watch videos and get paid. And I'll show you all the other ways you can get paid also on this website. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So this is how it looks in here. So if you look on your left, this is where the surveys are, and this is where you can watch videos. You can do the offers right here, and they have the awards over here, gift cards and cash. And here's your account. So the inbox, profile, about me, activity, invite friends, so you can invite friends also, guys. Here are the surveys you can earn. So as you can see right here, from 50 cents to $10 on these offers. And here's the offer walls. So you can just click on any one of these to start, as you can see. And here's the special offers. Again, you can just click on here to start. And as you can see, you can earn $48. And this one you can earn $95. And they also have live feeds, so you can earn money on these live feeds. Now, since we're talking about watching videos, I'm going to go ahead and click on here where it says watch. So you can pick either one of these to start watching videos. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Hideout TV. And it says here 7 points, 3 videos with ads. Credits, unlimited times. Videos must contain ads either before or after the video in order to be credited. So I'm going to go ahead and click start right here. So you have to sign up for Hideout TV, but I'm just showing you a video. So this is how the video is going to look. So here's the ad. So long as you watch this ad for a few, could be seconds, could be maybe up to a minute. As long as you watch that ad, you're going to get paid. And you can look at the video, and then if you want to watch another ad at the end, you're going to get paid more. So that's how that works, guys. And to sign up for Hideout TV, just click right here to sign up. Now they also have lootability. So it's similar to Hideout TV. So on this one, 5 points, 3 videos with ads. Credits, unlimited times. Videos must contain ads. So it's the same as Hideout TV. So if I click on Start, it takes me to their website. So both of these websites are connected to Zoombucks. So they got categories you can pick to watch videos. They have food here. They have DIY, do it yourself. And they have watch videos right here. So when you click on these videos, let's go and click on one. Again, you have to sign up. And here are the videos. And as far as how much you're going to get paid for watching these videos, it's going to pop up in your account and it'll show you how much you got paid for watching these videos. But you have to do the same thing, just watch the ads on these videos. Okay guys, I want to show you one more thing here. Let's go over to the gifts. So I did show you earlier some of the gift cards you would get when you cash out. Now I just want to show you a lot more they have on here, especially this one right here, PayPal. So you're going to be accumulating points so you can redeem those points in for PayPal cash. And all you need to do, once you get that amount, you just come to the cash out section of this website in your account. And as you can see, you can get $3 to $100 PayPal cash. Now, one last thing, guys. As you can see right up here at the top, it says refer and earn 10%. So when you refer somebody, you'll be able to get a link. And when they click that link and they join up, you're going to get 10% of their earnings. So that's how they work. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. This is a very good website. You need to check it out if you want to make some money watching videos. And again, the name of it is Zoombucks. So go to zoombucks.com to sign up. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Give me a like. Drop a comment down below. Share this everywhere. Let's get to 8,000 subscribers. That's it. One last thing I want to say. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.